Have y'all ever wondered where all of Earth's water came from? Like, why is it so rare, as far as we can tell, to have this much water on a planet, like oceans, rivers, and lakes? There was a time when there was no water on the planet. See, about 300 million years after Earth's formation, the planet was extremely hot and it actually had burned off a lot of the elements like hydrogen. There was no water whatsoever. So where did it come from? Well, we know that in the early stages of the Earth being formed, it was bombarded by asteroids and comets. And as you may know, comets are made of ice, which contains water. However, when we were able to study Halley's Comet, we found out that it actually has D2O instead of H2O, otherwise known as heavy water. And the ratio of heavy water on the comet did not seem to match up with Earth. So now we understand that the water actually came from asteroids. Asteroids that have hydrogen and oxygen-rich minerals. You see, as the asteroids crashed into Earth and penetrated the crust going straight through to the mantle, being as hot as it is, melted the rocks and the hydrogen and oxygen elements rose, and the water erupted from the crust. And there's actually said to be around 10 Earth's oceans worth of water still trapped inside the mantle. But does this mean that any planet that gets bombarded with hydrogen and oxygen-rich asteroids can form oceans and lakes like we have? Well, not exactly. See, the stage of Earth's formation just so happened to be the perfect time for this to happen. The amount of things that have to line up for asteroids like this to turn into giant oceans are absolutely mind-blowing. The fact that 70% of this planet is water, nothing short of a miracle.